Anthony. So, you asked me if I'm gonna make lots of videos tomorrow, and I was like, yeah. And you want me to make you one? And you're like, yeah. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna make one now. So, here I am, and we need to hang out again. Like this. Because it was fun hanging out with you and your cousin last time. And we're gonna do it again. So yeah, I'm bored right now. I'm eating cold lasagna. Yum. Right? Actually, it's okay actually, which is kind of weird. Yeah. I don't know what to say. So I think I'm gonna go soon. But basically, we need to hang out soon. Okay, bye.